Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to convert miles into kilometer in Excel. For this you have to use convert formula. So I am writing here formula because here I have taken miles and now I will convert into kilometers. So write formula equal and convert, press tab, and here you can see number mean the miles you want to convert into kilometers. So I will select this and then insert comma, and after this you can see from unit to unit. From unit mean I want to convert miles, so I will write in inverted commas mi, and again inverted comma close, and then comma, and two unit mean in which I want to convert, that is kilometer. So again I will write in, you can see here are abbreviations which you can use: foot, inches, yard. So I am converted into kilometer, so I will write km and then inverted commas and close the parentheses and enter. And here you can see it has converted the miles into kilometer. Now drag this to remaining. So this is how you can convert miles into kilometer in Excel. In the end, if this video has helped, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.